In this tutorial, you'll learn the step-by-step process for creating a passport-sized photo using Canva. To get started, start your free Canva trial so you can access all available features for editing your passport photo. Next, select the custom size option to set up the specific dimensions required for a passport photo. Enter your values into the width and height fields to match your country's official requirements. Instead of choosing a default type like presentations, be sure to customize the canvas size by clicking into the size input fields and entering the exact measurements you need. Go to the File menu and open Settings so you can adjust any preferences before uploading your photo. Now, click Uploads and select the photo you want to edit for your passport. Selecting the correct image at this step is essential. Select the text field if you need to add any details or tags to organize your project. Then, describe which element or template you want to use for your photo. You can search for a specific frame or style using the search function, making it easier to find a clean border for your passport photo. Select the frame template you'd like to use, ideally one that meets passport guidelines, so your image appears professional. Click the Edit button to begin refining your photo. Here, you can crop, resize, and make other adjustments to comply with passport standards. Open the Settings menu and choose your desired background color for your passport photo, typically a solid white or light color. After adjusting the background color, close the dialog box, then fine-tune the image with the slider to achieve the exact look you want. Now, use the Background Remover tool to erase the background from your photo. Align your image perfectly in the center of the canvas for proper passport formatting. Use the File feature again or adjust the View options, like showing margins, so you can double-check that your image fits within the required area. Finally, share your completed passport photo or download it as a high-quality file, ready for use in official documents. You've now learned how to make a passport-sized photo in Canva with confidence.